Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nae, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved all these hairstyles using one wig, so stay tuned. So today I am working with HerGivenHair company. I'm just unboxing and showing you guys everything that I received in the package. I loved this manual because it showed you everything you need to know when installing this half wig. So that was great. But this wig, as I said before, is a half wig and it is a kinky blowout texture. So I'm just showing you guys the combs inside the wig, and it also had a drawstring that allowed you to tighten the wig at the back, and also it came with the adjustable bands inside, but you can choose to use them or not. It's not necessary. But this is how it is looking straight out the box. So we're going to put this on and see what it is giving. So first things first, I made a small parting from ear to ear because that's all the hair I'll be leaving out. So once I've put that front section away for now, I'm going to create an anchor braid. So this is going to go right along the parting that I just did. And this is just to help secure the wig. So one of the combs are going to be able to stick into the top of this braid, actually all around, because there are 3 combs. So one's going to stick in the middle and the other 2 combs are going to stick on the sides. So I feel like if you do anything, I recommend doing this anchor braid. Then I just went ahead and did 2 big braids in the back section. You can slick your hair in a ponytail if you'd like, but I just did 2 braids to make my life a bit easier and because I have a lot more hair. So once I've braided on the back, I'm just going to use a small black elastic to tie the ends together, and that is basically it. So this is how it looks. 1 small braid and then the 2 big braids at the back. So this is the comb that's going to go right in the middle. So I'm just going to take the ends, put it inside the wig. I also used the comb at the back and just stuck it in the middle. But as you can see, I'm using this comb, sticking it right at the top. And then there's 2 combs at the sides, as you can see. And I'm going to stick those in that anchor braid as well. And the wig is secured. You don't have to do anything else. The only other thing I decided to do to show you guys was pull the drawstring, just in case you guys wanted it to be more secured or anything like that. But do you guys see how seamless this is? You don't see no tracks. There's no tracks showing. So this is how it looks on my hair. You could tell my hair is straighter than the wig. So what I did was I used some oil in my hair and then went in with the blow dryer and blow dried it together. So this is just me showing you guys the drawstring at the back. So all you do is pull it, tighten it, and then just stick the string inside the wig, and that is it. So as you can see, once I blow dried the hair, my hair is blending with it a bit better. So that was great. What I did first was I decided I was going to do a little half up, half down hairstyle. So I just combed my hair towards the back. And then I took some of the hair from the wig to put into the ponytail, used a hair tie, and just put it all together. Doing baby hairs is optional, but I always like to do my little swoops. If you are not new here, you already know. So that is what I did first. So once I got the hair into a ponytail, I'm just going in with my wax stick just to slick down my hair a little bit more. And then use my comb to comb it through, make sure it was nice and smooth. And then I use my mini flat iron to just curl the hairs that I left out. That way it just makes it easier for me to do the swoops. I did use my Easy Edges edge control and an edge control brush. And so this is how it is looking. Super simple, super easy. Yeah guys, this is hairstyle number 1. Just showing you guys the back. It looks like a blowout. When I was a kid and my hair was blowed out, this is exactly how my hair used to look, like flashbacks. But yeah, super natural guys. Very natural. So the second hairstyle I just took out the ponytail, and then I decided to just flip it over. So as you guys know, the flip over method is in style. All I did was flip it to one side, and that is it. So there's no part to this or anything like that. There's no tracks showing. Another very natural hairstyle. So you can flip this to either side. You could have it on the left side, the right side. You could even do a part in the middle. It's all up to you, but yeah, that's how it's looking. I'm just gonna show it to you guys on the next side. All you do is flip it over. I recently did a flip over method hairstyle on my channel. If you guys are interested as well, I can link that in my description box. But that was using clip-ins. Using the half wig is so much easier and so much more options. But yeah, I was definitely feeling this one. Next, I created a part in the middle and did these 2 little knot buns and had some of the ends sticking out. Yeah, super different, super simple to do. I forgot to spray my oil sheen from the first hairstyle, so I just sprayed it now. But yeah, super cute. And we are using that same wig. So now I took down the buns. We are doing another hairstyle. This is just a simple part in the middle, and I took this satin hair band. I believe it was like for your edges, and I just tied it and pulled it back a bit so you could still see the part. So you can use it, you can do this using like the headbands that we wear to the gym and stuff like that. Super cute. Same wig, guys. This is amazing. There is so many options. But comment down below, let me know which style was your favorite hairstyle. I want to give a huge shout out to HerGivenHair company for sending over this unit. All the details will be down in my description box below, so make sure you go ahead and check them out. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.